Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shikha Sambarkar and today our topic is Computer Network Part 5. Under this, we are going to start our Transmission Media Part 1. And today in this video, we are going to discuss the topic Twisted Pair Cable. Yes, today we will discuss Twisted Pair Cable. So this video is useful for class 12th CBSE students, those who have opted computer science and informatics practices, and other students can also watch the video, those who are interested in this computer network field. So let's start the topic, twisted pair cable. So before starting the topic twisted pair cable, first we should know what's the meaning of transmission media. Yes, because twisted pair cable it's a type of transmission media. Twisted pair cable is a type of transmission media. So here you can see one image is here. Uh, at the left top corner you can see one PC, sender PC is there, and at the bottom right corner you can see receiver PC is there. So from sender it means source computer, from sender, or we can say source computer, one message is transmitted to receiver, it means destination computer. And via transmission media you can see in between sender and receiver there is a transmission media, it means that is we can say cable is there, one cable is there. Through cable sender is sending one message and receiver is receiving one message. So this is the concept of data communication. Here two points are given. The cables that connect two or more workstations are the communication channels. Workstations means two computers, those who are in a network, that is called workstation or node. You can watch my previous video, Computer Network Part 4. There I have discussed about transmission media. Now, second point is communication channels are also called transmission media or connecting media. So this is the concept of transmission media, or we can say data communication from one end to another end. Now, there are types of transmission media. We can group a transmission media in two categories, guided media and unguided media. Guided media includes cables, unguided media includes waves through air, water or vacuum. First point is basic types of guided media. There are three subpoints or three subtypes of guided media. First one is twisted pair cable, second coaxial cable, third is fiber optics. Then second basic types of unguided media. Under unguided media, we can say infrared, radio, microwave, satellite. So here in this video, we are going to discuss guided media, and under guided media, twisted pair cable. So today's topic is twisted pair cable. So let's start our topic, twisted pair cable. Here you can see twisted pair cable. One image is here, twisted pair cable. So what's the meaning of twisted? Twist means what? Twist means we can say to bend or to turn something into a particular shape, or to make something into a curved shape. So here you can see cables are given, some cables are twisted with each other. So this is twisted pair cable. You can see here. You can see the image of twisted pair cable here. Now some points related to twisted pair cable. First is as a voice grade medium, VGM. Voice grade medium, it is the basis for most internal office telephone wiring. It consists of two identical wires wrapped together in a double helix. So as we have seen in the previous slide, like that, this is the twisted pair cable. Problems can occur due to differences in the electrical characteristics between the pair, for example, length, resistance, capacitance. For this reason, LAN application will tend to use a higher quality cable known as data grade medium. This is the higher quality cable, DGM, data grade medium. And VGM, it was a voice grade medium, and DGM, data grade medium. It is higher quality cable than VGM. Different types and categories of twisted pair cable exist, but they all have two things in common. First is the wires come in pairs. Second, the pairs of wires are twisted around each other. Okay, now the twisting of wires reduces crosstalk. Twisting of wires reduces crosstalk. So what is crosstalk here? Crosstalk means what? It is the bleeding of a signal from one wire to another. Bleeding of a signal, we can say in general leakage of signal, which from one wire to another, and which can corrupt signal and cause network errors. Crosstalk, the twisting of the wires not only protects the signal from internal crosstalk, but it also protects it from other external forms of signal interference, is called crosstalk. So here we can see crosstalk, it is the bleeding of a signal from one wire to another. One wire to another wire. It is bleeding of signal. Bleeding of signal means leakage or weak signal, we can say. So this is crosstalk. We can see one image here. Here you can see two images. In the first one, this shows crosstalk causes weak signal that returns back to sending system. This signal might be incorrectly interpreted as a signal from the hub. Just like this in the second image, you can see one sender is sending the message to receiver using telephone line. That is the message is hello Bob. Okay, so and when it returns back, you can see at the bottom of the screen here, hello Bob. It means it's a kind of weak signal. So this shows the this is the crosstalk. We can say these images are showing the concept of crosstalk here. Crosstalk is nothing but we can say weak signal. Now there are advantages of twisted pair cable. There are some advantages. First one is it is simple. Yes. It is easy to install and maintain. We can install it easily and we can maintain it also. It is physically flexible. It has a low weight. It can be easily connected and it is very inexpensive. Inexpensive, economically it is very good. That's why it is inexpensive. We can say low cost cable. Some disadvantages also here. Some disadvantages of twisted pair cable. First one is because of high attenuation. Attenuation, you can say reduction. Because of high attenuation, it is incapable of carrying a signal over long distance without the use of repeaters. So in long distances, it is not a very good type of cable. Second point is its low bandwidth capabilities make it unsuitable for broadband applications. Third is it supports maximum data rates 1 Mbps without conditioning and 10 Mbps with conditioning. So these are some disadvantages related to data twisted pair cable. Now there are types of twisted pair cable. There are two types. First one is unshielded, means UTP cable. Second one is shielded. So what's the meaning of shielded here? Shielding means what? What is this word shield, shielding, shielded? Actually, shielding we can say to protect something or to protect somebody from danger or damage. This is the meaning of shielding. Or we can say shielding means to cover something. or to secure something. So just like that, here the meaning unshielded means there is no cover. There is no cover. Shielded means there is cover. You can see here two images. The left side is the example of unshielded and the right side is the example of shielded twisted pair, STP, and that is covered. You can see the right side, it is covered with a copper tape. The wires are covered with copper tape. So the STP cable has a metal shield around each twisted pair, which is composed of copper tape, a layer of conducting polymer or a braid. It is made of copper or aluminium mostly, and the shield can be applied to each pair of the cable or to all pairs together. So you can see these images here, and this is the difference between shielded and unshielded. Now again two images are here. Actually both are showing the same meaning, shielding and no shielding, shielded and not shielded. So in the first image you can see the two wires shielding. First one is showing shielding and second one no shielding. And in the second image, right side, you can see first twisted pair cable. First point is written there, twisted pair cable, and second point unshielded twisted pair cable with a jacket, PVC jacket, foil and copper wire, and the last shielded twisted pair cable with PVC jacket, shield, foil and copper wire. So this is the difference between shielded and unshielded, that in shielded twisted pair cable always there will be a shield or cover, or in case of unshielded there will not be any cover. So this is the concept of shielding and no shielding, twisted pairs, twisted cables, twisted pair cables. Okay, now here first one, unshielded twisted pair cable. Uh, in short we can say UTP, unshielded twisted pair. UTP cabling is used for variety of electronic communications. It can be in the following categories. Actually, there are some other categories also available. Cat 6, Cat 7 is also available now. Here I have included Cat 1 to Cat 5. In Cat 1, voice grade communications only, data no data transmission is there. In Cat 2, data grade transmission up to 4 Mbps. In Cat 3, data grade transmission up to 10 Mbps. In Cat 4, data grade transmission up to 16 Mbps. In Cat 5, data grade transmission up to 1000 Mbps. The UTP cables can have maximum segment length of 100 meters. So this is unshielded twisted pair cable. You can see here categories of UTP cable available in the market. Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7. You can see. One more concept is here, RJ45 connector. RJ45 connector, it's a kind of connector which is used with this twisted pair cables. You can see there are two images. In the first image, you can see one blue cable is attached with transparent like thing, transparent like thing with the blue cable, and it is used to connect with any system. So this thing is RJ45, registered jack we can say. And in the next right side you can see the image. There are 4 or 5 twisted pair cables with this RJ45 connector. So this RJ45 connector is used to connect a UTP one you can say twisted pair cable with the system, with the computer system or any other system. So this is the RJ45 connector. I have included this. just to show you what is it. One more image is here for unshielded twisted pair cable. At the right side, at the left side, you can see this is the unshielded twisted pair cable, and at the right side, this is the complete diagram of unshielded twisted pair cable. That is outer jacket, then twisted pair, then color coded plastic insulation, and RJ45 connector. So this is the complete diagram of unshielded twisted pair cable, and it is least expensive. We have seen the features also. So this is unshielded twisted pair cable. Now shielded twisted pair cable, STP. This type of cables comes with shielding of the individual pairs of wires, which further protects it from external interference. But these also, like UTP, can have maximum segment length of 100 meters. The advantage of STP over UTP is that it offers greater protection from interference and crosstalk due to shielding. But it is definitely heavier and costlier than UTP and requires proper grounding at both ends. So this is shielded twisted pair cable. We have seen the picture of this. Now again you can see two images here. Left side, this is shielded twisted pair cable, shielded with copper tape, and at the right side you can see the complete shielded twisted pair picture. This is outer jacket, then overall shield, then shield, pair shields, then twisted pair, then coded color coded plastic insulation, and one STP connector is showing there, that is like a RJ45 connector. So this is relatively this is expensive. So this is the complete picture of shielded twisted pair cable. So friends, I hope this video is helpful for you all. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel presented by Shikha Sambarkar, and must watch my next video on the next topic, that is Computer Network 6. Okay, thank you.